It's a beautiful spring day today. I thought I'd do a little carving outside, and while I'm at it, I'll show you how I chip carve. The tool I'm using today is a 1/4-inch wood carving gouge by Drake. To begin the carving, the tool is pushed perpendicularly into the gourd. This is called a stop cut. The next step is to cut out the chip. Notice how I am rocking the tool side to side while pushing it towards the stop cut. Stop cut. Chip. Stop cut. Chip. I find it less tedious to make many stop cuts and then go back and make the chip outs. I'm using a time-lapse video here. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is what the finished pattern looks like. It's kind of cool how the alternating chips just creates this wavy pattern going down. It's a very simple technique. It doesn't require any very expensive equipment, just some type of a carving gouge. And there are lots of different sizes available. So this is a 1/4-inch one that I'm using, but you can experiment with all different kinds. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. You can also go to my website, www.jragourdart.com, and get all kinds of other information about gourd art, about my art, how to order, classes, shows, and all sorts of information. I also have a newsletter, so if you sign up for my newsletter, you'll get some other information about gourd art as well. All right, thanks. Have a great day.